Hey everybody, Brian Horvath here with BrianHorvath.com, and I'm bringing to you my LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip for this week. And it is about how to get eyeballs on your profile, how to get content seen, leveraged, utilized, engaged with, and all that good stuff. And it's a part of your featured section. No matter if you're a LinkedIn profile basic user, premium, sales navigator, wherever you're at, you have the opportunity, as I do, as we all do, to use your featured section to highlight videos, slide decks, documents, part of your portfolio, whatever you want people to see, to be able to share your story and showcase your value. Let me show you where you can do that. So it's right in your LinkedIn section. When you go to add profile section, you can choose to go to recommended and then go to add featured section. So I'm going to click that and add featured. It's going to take me to my featured section. I'm going to click plus at top. In this case, I'm going to add some media. I'm going to add an image so people can get my ebook for free if they like. It's called Your Purpose. And I'm going ahead and put in the name. I use a little cheat code here, if you will. And Purpose Book DSC. There we go. I'm going to save it out. And then bada boom, bada bing, I got my Purpose book featured in my featured section. Let's look and see what that looks like here. So you might want to fool around a little bit with the thumbnail, but all in all, it's a quick, fast start to get you ready to locked and loaded to be able to share that content, share your story, showcase your value, seeking to serve the marketplace. Now, I want to continue to help you with your LinkedIn profile. You can get my free LinkedIn profile quick start guide. It's called Your LinkedIn Profile Quick Start Guide. You can get that for free at brianhorvath.com/LinkedIn-quick-start. And that's this week's 2-minute hot tip.